Nation, TNT, the big tall himself with the Tiny and Tall Show. We back with another video, y'all. Well, I done hooked up the battery packs for the bikes, cause about that time to hit that road again. Hit the other one. Yep, so it's about that time. But before I go, I gotta show y'all something real quick. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Nation, we back, y'all. Yeah, y'all check them views real quick. Y'all see them? So check it. Today is the day I finally build a toolkit for the Harleys. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna explain everything I got. Mostly everything is from the garage. I think the only thing is new is first aid kit. I bought that from Amazon. But I get to y'all, I'll let y'all see that in a sec. So we're gonna start here, start working our way through. Let's cook. All right, so this is what my bag is going to consist of. Just some blue gloves like the ones I got on. Assortment of zip ties, small ones, a little bit bigger ones, just in case. Okay. This is like some O-rings, some rubber bands, some wire connectors, some shrink wrap, all different sizes, even small. You see, even go down here, I got small shrink wrap. Just basically an assortment of little stuff that you never know we might need. Then I have, you see it, extra fuses, electric tape, plumber's tape, double-sided tape. I have a first aid kit I bought from Amazon. I think it cost like 10 bucks. I have a tire repair kit, you know, that old school we used to use with your bicycle back in the day. What else I got? I have a 3/8 small ratchet, a 1/4 small ratchet. I have 2 extensions. I think this is a 4-inch extension. The bottom was a 4-inch. The top one's like, I think, a 2-inch. This is a 2-inch and a 3-inch 3/8 extension, like that. You guys see it. Just in case. We have a pair of vice grips, as you can see. We have a pair of regular pliers. We have an adjustable wrench. It's a 6-inch model. Okay, we'll get back to y'all. Let's cook. Moving on along, we have a pair of needle nose pliers with like some snippers on the back end. There's some little Amazon specials I had. We have, okay, now we have this. This is a little different. This is basically like, it's a multi-tool. So, you know, it's a couple of things. It could be like a wrench. It could be a hammer. It could be a knife. Basically could be an assortment of things. Let me pop a couple of things out real quick, see? As you see? Probably like a little knife, you know? It's basically just a, it's a hyper tough. I got this from Walmart a while back. It's basically a multi-tool. Then I have regular scissors. Then I have a flashlight, just a little flashlight. The flashlight takes AAA batteries, so I got some of those just in case. I have just a lighter for the shrink wrap, just in case I need it. I have a regular pen. Never know. I have a permanent marker. Never know. I have razor blades. It's like 3 or 4 in here. I have a razor blade holder. Never know. I need it. Coming on down here, I have a star bit socket tool. Basically like a little a little tool that can get into little places. Again, I bought this from, where I get this from? Harbor Freight a while ago. I think it cost me like $3. And it only comes with these. Actually, I can show you real quick. Let me grab it. I got a new one up here. I got a couple of these. So basically, this is what it looks like. It's a right angle screwdriver, but it comes with different bits. So this is the one I had open already. I had bought two a while back. And these are just extra bits, and you know how I go. Just in case, I'm gonna get back. Let's cook. All right, now we have a regular knife, as you can see, a regular degler. You know, it's a regular degler. Boom. And I have Allen keys, 3 different types. This is this is star one. One is standard and one is metric. Have all 3 of those. Cool. This right here is another one of those multi-tools. I just been having this sitting around in my toolbox, so I decided to, let me put y'all down for a sec. So I decided to pull it out. So this is another little multi-tool. You can do all type of things. It's kind of needle-nose pliers. Actually, matter of fact, I might take those needle-nose pliers. They might be wasting space in my bag. Okay, this does a couple things. What does this one do again? Okay, again, it's the same stuff. You know, like a bottle opener, knife, you know. Then it folds down into here. Oh, and then the back of it, like this part does stuff. This could turn into a screwdriver. See that right there? And you use these bits right here. I forgot where I got this from. I might have got this from, I can't remember. I might have got it from Amazon a while ago. So, let me close that on up. How did I close it again? Where's the button? Oh, I think it's that button. You open and close it right here. It's a button right there. And you close it. Matter of fact, so I might take out these. I don't think I'm gonna need those. Cause I forgot about what this do. So let's move it along, y'all. Move it along. Get this video done. Get back to y'all. Let's cook. All right, we're back, guys. Then I got some Harbor Freight, just some thread locker. You know, just in case. A little baby funnel, Harbor Freight. This is an air compressor, just in case I need to pump up those tires. Y'all see it for motorbikes, scooters, bicycles, pool rings, cars. It goes up to 150 PSI, as you can see. I have a pair of gloves. You know, I always need some gloves. I have a assortment of rings. You know, just in case, you know, like, let me show y'all, like, you know, like this hoses right here. They got rings over there. You see that ring over there? That ring right there. Oh, this one, this is probably better. That ring right there might pop off, so. Hey, I got just a couple extra of those, 3 different sizes. And they are sizes, what size are these? This is 3/4. This one is 1 1/16. I think this one is a half. No, this is 5/8 right here. Can't really see. And this one is, this might be a half. No, that's 5/8. Oh, this might be a half. Oh yeah, that's a half and a half inch. Okay. This right here, this is not a what am I supposed to say? I'm tripping. You gotta check it. This is a Harley Davidson tool. This is basically an air compressor, not an air compressor, basically an air pump for my air shocks on the back of Mistress. So this is what I pump up the air with. I pump it up. Because if you use this, it's gonna pump too much air in it way too quick. Just in case I'm losing air on my back shocks, I just pump it up with this. I think I got this from, I know I got it from Harley, but it was a while ago. And it basically is just kind of just like pumps. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's cook. Almost done, y'all. All right, so moving on. I have sockets, 1/4 inch. These ones are right here in the back. This set in the back, that's all standard, because you know, most of the things on a Harley are standard. But I do have aftermarket parts, and most of those, you know, like Chinese, so those are metric. And these are all 1/4 inch sockets, right? Then over here in the back, these are 3/8 sockets, standard in the back, The front is like 10s, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because I have aftermarket parts, so most of those are metric. Over here, I have wrenches. A couple of 10s, because I always need 10s. I got 11, I got a 12 and a 13, just in case I need those little ones. These are some standard wrenches from Icon. I got that from Harbor Freight a while ago. I think I got like 40 bucks off of these, but this is a 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 3/4. Cool. Then here, a couple more wrenches, just a little bit smaller, just in case I can't take these bigger ones in these, tight places. It's the same thing. ½ inch, 3/8, 9/16, 7/16, 7/16, just a couple of them. So, just how it go. And basically, these are all the same sizes. Same size I just said down here is basically these up here too. Because I kind of know what I need on these bikes, most of them. So, okay, let's move it along. Now, these are Harley tools too. This is a ½ inch, if y'all can see. Look, y'all see it say Harley Davidson. This portion is a ½ inch. This portion is a 3/8. This portion is a 7/16. So basically, it's like little wrenches. Boom. So they actually use that a lot on most of all these bolts on here. So now we have a 36 millimeter. So most of the time, the 36 millimeter would be like the neck, or maybe the drive axle in the back. And then we have 3/4. Let me get back to y'all. Okay, so this is a Harley tool right here. Remember I said this is a 36 millimeter on this side. That's like I think the top nut. And this 3/4 right here, it goes for like here. You guys see that? So just in case I needed to take something off, take the front axle out of here, undo it, that's how that would work. You get what I'm saying? And then these little ones, I forgot what they are, but both of these little ones are something. And you can like use it. You can use like these too. As y'all can see, it's like a, hectagon? You heard? So yeah, that works like that. Just in case you need it, hit that thing with a hammer, tighten it up, stuff like that. Cool. All right. I forgot. I think somebody, I don't know. I think I might have found both of these in somebody's car. Like one of the, I always have like a lot of little cars out here. I think like a little bucket car I bought. I think they were just like sitting in the trunk. So I was happy to find those. I didn't pay for those, so I don't know where they came from. I don't know how much they cost. I just got lucky. So all this stuff is gonna fit in this bag. Again, this is I don't even know. It's an Amazon bag. I basically bought this from Amazon. I think it cost like 17 bucks. But it has a lot of compartments. Like see right here? So I'm gonna load this up, I'm gonna load that up. Got all types of compartments like in here, I'm not gonna be able to get everything in here. So like I'm gonna say like this, the shock pump, the air compressor, or the first aid kit, more than likely that's not gonna fit in this bag. But the rest of this stuff should be able to fit. So let me load it up and I get back to y'all. Let's cook. Nation, nation, nation. Almost. I think it's packed. I think it's packed. Almost got everything. These are the sockets. So I gotta find another bag for all this stuff to go in my saddle bags. But hey, at least I got it all together. Still gotta charge this up. This is brand new. I got that from Amazon. Just in case. So this all the stuff that couldn't fit in the bag, which I kind of knew all this stuff. I thought the sockets would make it in, but they didn't. Pair of gloves, you always need some gloves. You never know. So there you have it. Our roadside assistance bag. Let's cook. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. TNT out. Let's go.